designated functions. So let's try to get this started. Before we do that, flat trim. This clears all the queue within the AR drone, so that way it doesn't run too much, because it's running a lot due to the video streaming. So let's get this baby off the ground. 3, 2, 1. So I can elevate it, and it's streaming on the TV as well. It gets a little bit hectic when it's shy. Yeah, it's shy. But
the
I was a
table.
little bit worried about this because of this issue. But if we go outside, that'll work. But let's not do that. Let's not go there.
No.
But
Just stand still.
let's see if I could try to get it up again. Sorry. So I could make it go forward, or left, or right, or up, and then scoot back a bit. Sorry.
Hey, free air conditioning.
I could have it change camera view. I don't know why it's not working, but there's a camera at the bottom. And then there's also a flip. Hey, Brandon, you might want to get out of the way. So, okay. Flat trim. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's going crazy.
All right. Quick, flip, please. Calibrate. This is calibrating. Calibrate again. Come on. You got this.
Hey, spin.
It's not doing flip, it's not responding.
You should do something like speak to text.
If you can see, there's the 2 back wings have red light, the 2 fronts, green light. The 2 fronts are good. The 2 backs, there might be something wrong. So because of that, it's preventing me from flipping.
Can you go out?
I can definitely go out. It's a little bit scary. You guys want to try?
Yeah, they signed the waiver, man.
Just spring.